All right, so it's Weather Wednesday, a time when we get to talk about the weather together and help you understand a bit more about how it can directly impact our lives here in Kern County. And today, like Candy just mentioned, we're looking ahead to the official first day of summer happening officially tomorrow afternoon. That exact moment of the summer solstice is the beginning of astronomical summer in the northern hemisphere as the sun reaches its northernmost point on the Tropic of Cancer. For every place north of that mark, the sun is at its highest point in the sky, and it's the longest day of the year. So for us here in Kern County tomorrow, the sun will rise at 5:41 a.m. and not set until 8:14 p.m. with more than 14 hours and 32 minutes of sunlight. But even though the sun will slowly start setting earlier each night and rising later each morning, we're actually heading into our hottest months ahead. And that's because the Earth orbits at an angle. So for this half of the year, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, warming us up significantly for the summer season ahead. Just as the warmest part of the day usually happens several hours following noon when the sun is its highest in the sky, so too does the warmest part of the summer lag after the summer solstice. That lag is due to the time required for ground and water to heat up. Average temperatures continue to climb until the sun drops lower in the sky. While the effect is evident on a daily temperature plot, it's more readily apparent by looking at changes in the monthly average temperature heading into July and August. And of course, with the summer season comes this intense heat, and that's why today's fan drive at Compassion Corner is so important. For our senior residents on a fixed income, it can be hard to afford those high power bills, and we want to help keep them as comfortable as possible. Kevin built this great graphic for us today to show how a fan can help keep you cool. The circulating air from fans doesn't actually cool the air, but rather it creates air currents that flow over the body, evaporating moisture from your skin to help with forced convection. Fans also help to replace the air around objects that are dissipating heat. So now you know what a difference it can make. We'll be right back.